northeastern Colorado. Today's May 28th. And a storm is firing up there along the boundary, which runs east and west. And more storms well to my west, but they're not looking as impressive and sheared as this one is. That's a land spout. It's got a land spout right there. Get right up next to that. Another one, another big one. Two of them actually. Another one next to it. Wow, look at that. Going for stills, going for stills. This is what it's all about. This is why we come out here. Time is about 6:15 Mountain or Central Time, about 5:15 Mountain. Large stovepipe landspout type tornado. I would call this a stovepipe tornado now. And I am oh wow! Look at the contact swirl on that thing. Power lines came down here. This is the rear inflow jets here. This is where it came across. Oh, this thing was pretty powerful. There's the second one. We got two on the ground simultaneously here. This is unbelievable. Rear inflow jet going into that one. Trying to hold the road steady here. Might be still intact. Dissipating or not, it might be still intact. Watch for power flashes. Crossing the road at 12 o'clock right there. Got it. Other tornado still in progress to my south here. Time is 6:25 Central Time. 525 Mountain. I'm just west of Highway 59 and northwest of I-70 where those two meet. And that's the RFD